Hello happy souls, this is my new project Kawasaki KB100 RTZ rebuilt, and these are all the chapters which I've categorized for this rebuild project. Right now we are in chapter 10 with parts buildup. In that we are in part 7 with brake drum assembly. This is not as same as the Suzuki Max 100 or this is a limited version of it, and this is the brake cam mechanism. The bigger one is for the front one and the smaller one is for the rear one. It is same as why we are using disc brakes for the front assembly. It is same concept. We are using a bigger cam for the front wheel, and take required amount of grease and apply or to all the moving components. And talking about the cam, this is not as same as the other vehicles. This is a little different. It has a head top which prevents the slipperage of the brake shoe, and while installing it is a little difficult when compared to the other normal bikes. And here some paints were there, so I just cleaned it with MD papers and then started installing the brake cam mechanism, and remove the excess grease. And here it comes with an o-ring, because to prevent water, rust, dust and other things, these o-rings will come. And if it is too hot, you have to replace it with a new one. If it is flexible, the elasticity was there, then you can go with the existing one. And then here comes the brake lever mechanism. And if you see the design, a straight will cut will be at the front, and a curve will be at the rear. The curve will be facing at the rear, the straight will be line will be facing at the front. And to align this in a place, the cam mechanism, we have to install the brake shoes with tension springs. It is required to change the tension springs whenever you change the brake shoes, and or uh, twice a time. And after installing this, the flat should face the flat end, the round should face the round end. The flat will be coming at the cam side, and the round will be coming at the stud end. You can keep like this, and you can flatten the brake shoes. And this is a point where I said it has a washer or a ring top at the cam mechanism, so it is little difficult when compared to the other models which I said. I haven't seen a design like this. This is the first time which I'm seeing a design, and the front brake assembly also is new for me. And once it is done, this has a bend. If you see, it has a bend. The bend should be raising up, or else it will be scratching the paint at the drum. And the curve should be facing at the rear, and this is how we have to assemble. And here we have a doubt at which point we have to install. This is a place why I made this video. And you have to take the old brake cable and position it accordingly. And at the other brake side you have a free play after installing the brake. So bit 2 or 3 gears, you can take it closer and you can install. After positioning it, you can easily lock it like this with a hammer. And once it is done, we can lock with the nut and bolt assembly. Before the nut and bolt assembly, washer should be placed, one end for the bolt, and at the other end also you have to lock it with washer and then nut. For tightening it, you have to use a 2 10 mm spanner. That's all for this video. We can use the same technique for the rear wheel also. Until then, bye. We can see you in another video.